Could be excessive burnouts. You know, I'm not going to completely rule it in and say that, because, you know, I wouldn't do those kind of things. Actually, the Corvette won't even spin a tire. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's not good.
Each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to attempt lowering my Corvette on the stock bolts. I know it doesn't lower it a ton, but it'll lower it just a little bit, and every little bit helps. So right now I'm about to fire up the car. I'm going to head over to David's house since he has a nice flat garage we can work in. And I don't think this should take too long, but I guess we'll see. You guys hang in there and I will catch you at David's. Alright, so update. Just got to David's. He's literally just begging me to go eat, so I guess we'll go get something to eat. Could you not wait?
No. I ain't eaten in like 4 days. Does it tell?
Yeah. Until you reduce it. But yeah, so we're gonna go get some to eat. We're gonna be back. We're gonna roll the car up on the wood, get the jack under it. So also, I might actually try and fix my headers. I'll try and show you when I get back. But basically, it's the worst at idle. But my steering line is up against my header, and so you can hear all the noises and valvetrain of the motor. It almost makes it sound like it's knocking, and it's the most annoying thing. Like, it literally drives me insane. I hate it. Alright guys, so we're on the way to go eat in this, I guess this is an Accord, an old Honda Accord. We don't have to worry about it lifting up and flying because they got downforce, boy. Look at that. They got downforce, my dude. What are we doing here?
We're gonna measure the stock ride height and then compare it to the next, or to the lowered. Now, are we actually lowering the bottom?
We might. Let's go ahead and get a measurement just in case.
It's sitting at 25 and 11/16. And the rear is sitting at 27 and 15/16.
All right. Alright, we got her jacked up. As you can see here, my tires have definitely seen better days.
I don't know what causes that.
Yeah, I'm not sure, man. It could be excessive burnouts. You know, I'm not going to completely rule it in and say that, because, you know, I wouldn't do those kind of things. Actually, the Corvette won't even spin a tire. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Oh well.
Yeah, just send it.
Alright, it's kind of hard to hold this with a light at the same time, but that bolt right there, so I can hold this at the same time. Right here, if you can see that, is the one that we're going to be dropping down. Now we got to be careful, make sure that we do them the same amount of turns on each side, or bottom them out at least on each side, that way it's even. So we already got the other side. We got the video, so we're gonna get this side. Go ahead and back her on out there, dude. Sounds being tired, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. That's it. All right, so now we gotta put the wheels back on and remeasure and see if it made any difference. All right, so we have a little mishaps. Turns out we raised the car instead of lowered it, so we're gonna have to lift it back up and do it again. What was the beginning?
For the back was 27, 15 16ths, and now you're at, well, I actually pushed it down some now. 28 and 3/8.
Gotta lift her back up, boys. Come on. Now we're going the right way. Wonder how long it'll go.
I'm turning.
It's gotta get close because that rubber's touching my back. All right, so we lowered it back. I guess my car was already lowered a little bit at that, or maybe it's going to take a little bit of time to see if it settles more. I drove around the block, and it's back to where it was when we started, at least in the back. I'm going to leave the front as it is for now, just because it's already low, and it's in stock form. It's hard to get into a lot of places, but anyways, thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. Again, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me so much more than you know. I'm trying to grow the channel, inching towards 500 subs, which is not a lot in comparison to a lot of other channels, but for me, I'm proud of that number so far. So still trying to make it grow. If you guys are into car content, Corvette stuff, Camaro stuff, anything with a V8 by God, come on, hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, I hope you have an awesome day.